Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am explain about key of assignment day 4. Let's begin. What is the chapter here? Living things and non-living things. First Roman is riddle. Riddle means nothing but it is indirect questions. So and some clues also given here. See first question. What's green but not a leaf? Copies others but it is not a monkey. Which living thing it is? Look here. That means it is one living thing. In first question it is one living thing. That living thing is actually green in color but it is not a leaf. Yes, Nana, leaf is green color only, no? But it is not a leaf. It copies others. It copies others but it is not a monkey. So what is that living thing? Actually monkeys, what can they do? They can copies to others. But it is not a monkey. This living thing is a bird. It is a bird. It is very beautiful. It is talking also. It is copies to others. So what is that one? Look here, I will show one picture. Parrot. It is green color, no? Yes, parrot is green color. It will copies to others. First one answer is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. See second question. What has 4 legs but can't walk? What has 4 legs but can't walk? This type of thing there is no legs but it has 4 legs but it can walk. What is that living? That one? It is non-living thing. It is non-living thing. What is that one? I will draw a picture. Look here, all of you. Tail. It is a living thing or non-living thing? It is non-living thing. It has 4 legs but it can't walk. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. Answer is table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. So second one answer is table. Okay. Second Roman is very short answer type questions. It is one word answers actually. See first one. Why do living things need food? Why do living things need food? We are human beings. Yes or no? We are living things. Why do we need food? Why? Because we need some energy and we will grow to younger one. Grow to younger one or adult. So compulsory we need food. Look here. It is a small baby. It is small baby. Without food they can grow? No, they cannot grow. They can take the particular proper food. They can be grow into younger one. Grow into younger one. Grow into younger one. So why do living things need food? They can grow and live. Grow and live. Why do living things need food? Why? Because they can grow and live. Go and live. See second one. What does a small plant grow to become? Actually, before this girl is a very small baby. It is very small baby. After they can grow into a younger one. Like that only a small plant grow to become. Plants also growing. Why? Because these plants are living things. Plants are living things. Plants can be grow to become a tree. Look here, what is this one? Tree. Small plants or big plants are called trees. So answer is tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. What does a small plant grow to become a tree? Understand? Third Roman is match the following. Column A, column B. See first your column A, baby boy. It is a baby, balloon, rabbit. In column B, non-living thing, living thing, a girl. It is an adult or a young girl. So both columns we can need to match. Look here. First one is a baby. It is very small baby. It is living thing or non-living thing? It is a living thing. They need to food compulsory. Why? Because they need to grow and they live. Look here, this baby boy, after they can turn into a girl. Baby turn into girl, a young girl. So we can do matching. Next, see balloon. Balloon is a non-living thing. Balloon is non-living thing. It can move from one place to another place? No, it cannot move. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. It is non-living thing. Last one is rabbit. Rabbit is living thing. Why? Because they move from one place to another place. They can take the food and they produce their babies. So, rabbit is living thing. Rabbit is living thing. Look here. Baby boy can be grow into a girl. Balloon is a non-living thing. Rabbit is living thing. Is clear, children? Thank you, one and all.